marami talagang nag-request sa akin no, na magpa-tutor daw sila kung paano kantahin yung first part sa Dam, Anong Pakiramdam sa SB19. Pero bago yan, ano ulit yung SB19? 5 silang kumakanta at yung iba ay, yes, very good, backup dancer. Sige, let's have this one now, the OR or the opening remarks. Okay, let's have this one. Ugh! So yung technique dito sa ugh, that is the shrink of esophagus. So kita nyo yan? Meron yung mga veins na sinirink mo sa iyong esophagus. Shrink of esophagus. This is ugly. Okay, here is the pro short test. Ayan, kita nyo yan, mga pro short test yan. Pasay yan dito, magpaspas ka dito, okay? But alam mo naman that me likely, then again, okay, another shrink of esophagus. Because I'm icy. Kahit na ano pa yan, come, bite me. Okay, Sisi, or closing ceremony. Heto na, heto na, heto na. Pro longest. Kung may pro shortest, may pro longest. And, okay, bye. See? Kahit hindi pa natin kompleto ang lyrics, makikita mo talaga, perfect pa rin.